Nice.
Oh, I know it. I know it. Step aside.
For the master.
Yeah. Oh, this is big.
Okay, great. So now you're going to, before you put that in there, you have to come back here and then go to load filament. So you're going to use this button to get back. Oh, I'm sorry. Press continue and then you can use it. There you go.
Are you gonna use those numbers?
Go ahead. And then just gently until you feel a little tug. There you go. Now it tells you, it says wait until you see the filament begin to extrude. So come and check it out down here until you see white.
And stop it.
You got it.
Oh, I see it.
Yep. Nice. So you can gently lower that back in. Make sure you hold this while you press that down. There you go. All right. Next.
Where's the thingy? This? Yeah.
Okay. Get back to your home screen. Bless you.
Thanks.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay. You might have to hit press it again because it's a little sleepy. I've been having trouble with that. Okay. I'm gonna find the one with your name.
Oh, there it is.
Pero,
Print.
Yes, sir.
21 minutes and 16 seconds.
Congratulations.
I don't want to see it. What are you doing?
It's like pointing.
What's it
For Fortnite.